Here's how to use Google Gemini 3, the latest version. Keep in mind, it's being rolled out gradually, so not everyone has access just yet. First, make sure your Gemini apps are up to date. Check for updates in your App Store to ensure you're using the latest version. If you're on the website, look for the option to change your model at the bottom of the screen. You might see a version like 2.5 next to a flash icon. Tap that to switch versions. Once you tap, you'll see the option for Gemini 3 Pro. Select it, and you'll switch to Gemini 3 Pro, where you can start using the new features. For example, you can ask Gemini to generate an image or answer any questions you have. Some features may be free, while others might require a subscription. So try them out and see what works. That's it. You're now ready to use Google Gemini 3. If this helped, tap like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials.